Come on everyone, let's go. It's the first day of school. We don't want to be late. Welcome back to school, everyone. I hope you all had a great summer. Be sure to check out a textbook for this class because we will be using it every single day. Do we have to get one? Because my teacher last year said that and we never used it. I can guarantee that we'll use it this year. My teacher also said that, but we still never used the textbook. We'll talk about textbooks later. Now, I will be passing out a diagnostic test. This test will see where you're at in your learning. What? A test? I didn't even get to study. That's not fair. Calm down. Just do your best. Psst, Avery, what'd you get for number 1? I got a simple rational function. Alright everyone, please turn in your test and have a nice rest of the day. Emily, how do you think you did on the test? I feel like I did pretty well. Yeah, me too.